Greetings to all of you traders out there, wherever you are in the world. This AZZAM Karmaya from AFD Traders. AFD Traders is a team with professional traders and professional coder. In this video we will show you an exclusive and very profitable complete trading system, and show to you how to make it more profitable. This strategy is requested from our Discord member. And you can do the same by suggesting to us your own strategies. If you want to see more content like this and want to help us with YouTube algorithm, you can do by like, subscribe, and turn on notification to never miss new and better strategies. This strategy includes 3 free trading view indicators. Now let's go ahead and add them to our chart. 200 EMA. MACD. ADX DI by Cobra. This strategy can be used in all type of markets, stocks, futures, forex, and crypto. For a long signal to be valid, price must be above the 200 EMA. The blue line of the MACD cross over the red line below the 0 line. And ADX must be green. Now we can take a long position. Our stop loss must be under the recent swing low. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 2. Here all conditions fulfilled. And now let's move on to short condition. For a short signal to be valid, price must be below the 200 EMA. The blue line of the MACD cross under the red line above 0 line. Now we can take a short position. Our stop loss must be above the recent swing high. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 2. Here all conditions fulfilled. Now it's time to code it to see what the win rate is. And we're finally done. Before showing you this strategy's result, we want to let you know that you can get the same code and settings for this strategy on our Discord community. Also on our Discord you can find technical analysis, important news, more videos, free signals, and all our coding strategies. Let's see the result. As we can see, the win rate is 48%. But we will change some settings to make this strategy more profitable. And there are many options you can try it. You will find the code of this strategy on the description below and try it yourself. What would you do to make this better? Let us know. In our Discord community you can find this strategy and all other strategies we coded in the past. You can also tell us to code your strategy and make it better and code it for you and all our community members. We will be so happy to help you and try our best to make you maximize your profits. Good luck and stay tuned for another video.